Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change screen mode on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app in your Samsung Galaxy A54. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on display. Scroll down the display page and then it should say screen mode, click on it. To change your screen mode, you can choose between vivid and natural. You see that? So this is natural and then this is vivid. Then once you selected vivid, you can adjust the white balance. Maybe you want to set a cool white balance or you want warm white balance. At the same time, you can check out advanced settings. Then adjust the RGB color. So if you want to go with natural, just come here and select natural and then hit the back button. So that's exactly how to change screen mode on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.